Life processes refer to the essential activities that all living organisms perform to maintain their existence. These processes include 1. Nutrition, ingestion, digestion, absorption, and assimilation of nutrients for energy and growth. 2. Respiration, the process by which organisms obtain energy from nutrients through the oxidation of food molecules, typically involving the intake of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide. 3. Transportation, the movement of substances such as nutrients, gases, and wastes within an organism or between different parts of an organism. 4. Excretion, the removal of metabolic wastes produced by cellular activities, such as carbon dioxide, urea, and excess salts. 5. Response, the ability of an organism to detect and respond to stimuli from its environment, which can involve various mechanisms like movement, sensitivity, and coordination. 6. Reproduction, the process by which organisms produce offspring, ensuring the continuation of their species. 7. Growth, the increase in size and complexity of an organism over time, typically through cell division and differentiation. 8. Regulation, the maintenance of internal stability homeostasis, in response to changes in the external environment or internal conditions. These life processes are fundamental to the survival and functioning of all living organisms.